Now we will learn how to make an analysis. First, we determine the structure market first. We will use the Elliott wave to mark the structure. This step also include determine the trend. The entry is based on trend structure. For guide, we will search for high and low, and we determine whether price making higher high or lower low. As for this example, we see that gold is making lower low. That's mean it is on downtrend. As a conclusion, we more focus on finding sell opportunity only as long as trends still hold. Next, we will draw a trend line by connecting to point of the structure that has been made. We will use the trend line for our entry point. When the price reach the trend line, we will sell. And for the risk reward, we will use 40 pip stop loss and 40 pip or more for the reward. Last step, we determine the support and resistance that occur at the trend line. Look at the left to find the support or resistance. We can put pending order and let the market do the rest. Please like and subscribe if this information make you a better trader. I make an analysis every day for your everyday guide. Compare my analysis and your analysis. There is no right and wrong. We can't control the market. Just do our best.